Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Not too long ago, I have done a hair dye review on a product that I really like. Right now, since everything is so expensive, I have decided to search for a more affordable brand. Luckily, I'm able to find something that I equally like and also has very good gray coverage. Let me tell you a little about my hair. My hair is about 40% gray. This sideburn area is extremely difficult for me to dye if I don't use the right product. But with this newfound product that I like, it does a great job covering my stubborn area. Actually, just a few days ago, on Sunday, I dyed my hair. Before, you will be able to see the sideburn areas completely gray, but now it's covered very well. Can you see? And also, like my root area shows gray quite a bit too, but now the coverage is gray. I'm not sure on the camera whether you can see how shiny my hair is. What I like this hair dye is it has no ammonia smell, which is great because I usually dye my hair in a tiny bathroom. Tiny bathroom doesn't have great ventilation, so I love that it has no ammonia smell. I also like that it covers the gray very well and it doesn't damage my hair. My hair is quite shiny. Okay, let me show you which one am I talking about. The product that I like a lot is Revlon Color Silk Beautiful Color Salon Quality Hair. I really like it and it's extremely inexpensive. I got it from Walmart. It's under $4. I actually got a coupon a few weeks back, but unfortunately it has expired. But anyway, even without coupon, it's very affordable. I will tell you, like it says 100% gray coverage, which is true because it covers all of my gray stubborn area and is ammonia free. I'm the witness of it, and it also have the keratin. Remember, my favorite more expensive hair dye also have the keratin. I think keratin is the ingredient that make gray coverage a lot easier and a lot better. No mass formula. Yes, this is extremely easy. You can easily do it on your own. It comes with, let's see, one ammonia free colorant, which I got, one cream color developer, which I have got also, one after color conditioner. I really love this after color conditioner. You have to make sure you apply on your after dye hair. You will feel so silky, and then you will feel like your hair is so smooth and vibrant. And then one application instructions and one pair of gloves. Yes, I've got all of those and it's very easy to use. If you have been using hair dye, you will have no problem using this at all. Whether you are on a budget or not, I know that you will like this hair dye as much as I do. I do have one thing I really like about my more expensive hair dye. It is the pre-dye serum that before dyeing my hair, I apply it to my scalp and all over to my hair to protect my hair. I really like it. In the past, I have used oil for my scalp to create some sort of barrier between the dye and my skin, and it didn't work out too well because the oil somehow creates some sort of barrier from the dye to penetrate into my hair. Maybe it might work with hair conditioner. I don't know yet. I haven't tried yet. If you have any tips to share with me, please leave it in the comments for me. I will appreciate that. I hope you will find this video helpful. Please support my channel by hitting a like button so more people will be able to see this review, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell below so when I have new videos uploaded, you will be notified. Until then, we will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.